Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on the application Snapchat, where we will be learning how to fix filter not working on your mobile phone. So you might just want to open your Snapchat over here and want to take some videos and you want to use the filter. For this, suppose I will just select any filter. As you can see, the filter is working in my mobile phone, but for some it might not be working. So how can we fix it? So for this, what we can do is long press, go back to the home screen, long press on this, go to app info and go to storage unit and clear the cache and the data. If you do that, your app will reformat, and they will ask you to go and they will ask you to put in your login details once again. But once you do that, you may have the filters again. But here's the thing, you have to do this only when none of your filter is working. If it is only one or two filter that is not working, then another reason might be due to it being not available in your region yet. Like some filters are only available in some region. Third option which you can do is uninstall the app, reinstall it, and that can just solve the problem itself. And that is how you fix the filter not working on your phone. If this video was helpful in any ways, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, comment down below if you have any queries regarding it, and also comment down below if you have other ways in which we can fix it so we can all work it out together. Thank you so much for watching.